guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So the first thing you need to learn are two algorithms. That the first one is right algorithm and left algorithm. So I'm going to teach you the right algorithm. So this is how to do the right algorithm. That is, first you should go right side up, up side should go to the left side, and the right side should come down, and the up side should come towards the right. So this is how you do the right algorithm. Now I'm going to show you once again. Right side up, the top side should go towards the left, the right side should come down, and the upper part should go towards the right. And now it is done. Now I'm going to show you how to do the left algorithm. So that is left. So this is how you should do the left algorithm. The left side should go up. The left side, that was like over here, it should come up, and the top side should go towards the right. The left side should come towards the down, and the up side should go towards the left. And this is how you do the left algorithm. Now I am reordering this. Now I am going to show you once again. Left side should come up. The upper base should go towards the right. The left side should come down. And now the upper base should go towards the left. Now I'm going to make it proper again. So first step is the daisy. So guys, to do the daisy step, what you need to do is, you can see over here green, green, green and orange. In those spaces, we need white color pieces. So let me search. Okay, now I have one over here. I need it to come over here. So what I'm going to do is tilt it towards the right side, turn this and put this up. So now it's over here. I need three more pieces. So I have one over here. So I'm just going to tilt it over here and here. It's just easy. See, now it's over here. You need it over here. You just need to tilt this and it's up. I have one more over here. I need it over here. So just tilt it like this and up. One more. So yeah, over here it is. So over here it's already taken. It's over here. Over here it's taken. I need over here. So I'm going to just tilt it up a cycle over here like this and up. Now the daisy pattern is ready. So the next step is to take it over here properly. So you can see over here, for this white down there is a red color. So you should find the middle red. So over here it is. So red, and you should turn it 2 times. 1, 2. So what happens? It comes towards the white side. Like this you should continue. Over here it is green. So over here the green is there. Match it. 1, 2 and you're done. Blue, turn it towards the blue side. 1, 2 and you're done. So last is orange. It's in its right place. You can turn it from any side. You can turn it this side. You can turn it this side. It doesn't matter, but 2 times. So now it is ready. Now we should solve the corners. Now I'm going to teach you how to solve the corners. Okay, now we should replace the corner. So over here we have a corner piece. We have green and red. So you should find where there is green and red. Okay, I have found it. Green and red. So I should make sure that this comes and replace this piece. This should come over here. So I'm going to turn it upside down so that this is at the top. Now you should perform the right algorithm. So the right algorithm is right side up, turn it down, turn it back. So now I have it over here. I'm going to do it once more. Up, down, turn, turn. So I have this. I'm going to do it again. Here. Guys, to replace the corners, you should perform the right algorithm. So find another. I have green and orange. I have green over here, orange over here. The corner piece should be between two colors. There is green and orange and of course white. So I'm going to tilt it. So I have the yellow center up. I have this over here and I'm going to do the right algorithm. It's done. So this is perfect. I need blue, orange and white. That's over here. I'm going to do the right algorithm once again. I have the yellow at the center. You should keep doing that until it's perfect. Okay. And the first layer is solved with the surrounding pieces with at their home color. It should be at their home color perfectly. So now we need to solve the corner pieces. That in the second layer, this is the first layer, second layer and third layer. In the second layer, we should solve the corner pieces, these corner pieces. So now I'm going to teach you how to solve the corner. So now I'm going to teach you how to solve the corner pieces. Now we have solved the first layer. To solve the corner pieces of the second layer, you should turn towards the yellow side and check. Okay, you should have like these corner pieces over here. That is this, this, this and this. So while doing this, ignore the pieces which have yellow and on them. Now we are just ignoring the yellow pieces and just solving the ones with the colors. So I have, this is a good example for that. We have blue and red. So we have blue down. So I'm going to turn it towards the blue side and I have red. So to do this, you should turn the upper side, that which blue is over here. You should turn it away, and because we need it towards the right, I'm going to do the right algorithm. If you have done this correctly, the right algorithm correctly, you have a white square or a white piece on your right side top. Now just turn 90 degree so that you have your white piece towards your left hand side like this, and now you should perform the left algorithm, that is up, down, down and up. So now you have that piece over here and your white is also in the correct place. So now you have this solved. Next I have green and orange. So I'm going to turn this towards the green side. I have orange over here. Again I need it towards my right side. So I'm going to do the right algorithm and turn this piece this side. Because I'm doing the right algorithm, I'm turning it this side. If you need the left algorithm, you're going to turn it this side and do the left algorithm. So I need it towards the right. So I'm doing the right algorithm. Turn this away and do the right algorithm. If you have done it right, you'll have a white piece over here. Turn it 90 degree, so the white piece is to on your left side, and do the left algorithm, and we have the piece in its correct spot. Next I have yellow, so I'm going to ignore it. Yellow, ignore it. I have red and green, so I'm going to take it to its home over here. Red, that match, and again I need it towards my right side. I'm going to do the right algorithm. So the first thing is you should move it away and do it. So over here, it's if you have done it correctly, and now you should do the left algorithm and it's solved. I have blue and orange, that should come over here. So blue towards home. Now I should do the left algorithm as I need it towards my left. I'm going to move this away like this and do the left algorithm, that is up towards this side, down and up. If you have done it right, you'll have a white square or piece on your left hand side, left top. Now you should turn it 90 degree this side so that the white piece is on your right hand side over here, you can see, and perform the right algorithm, and done. Your second layer is totally solved and your white piece is also correct and it's not jumbled. So now we should solve the top layer. Okay, now you can see you have a line. In my case I have a line. In maybe for you it may be like an L or just maybe a dot. So if you have an L, you should keep it on your left side top, like now how I'm keeping it should be in this pattern. Okay, I have a line, so I'm going to just keep it like this. I don't want it like this. You should just keep it like this. You may have a dot, you may have a L, or you may have a line. If you have a line, also you can follow this algorithm. If you have a L, also you can follow this. If you have a dot, also you can follow this. So what you need to do over here is you need a yellow cross, like a plus sign. How we did it for the white one, like that we need for the yellow one. So now I'm going to teach you how to make a yellow cross. Now, as I said earlier, you may have a L, you may have a line, or you may have a dot. So what you need to do is, if you have a L, it should be on your left side top like this. If you have a line, keep it as it is horizontally, and if you have a dot, you can start from anywhere. So the algorithm for this is the front face, which is over here. You should turn it once so that you have three white pieces or squares on your left hand side. I'm going to show you again. So what you need to do is the front face, which is this. You're going to turn it once this side. So you have three white squares or dots over here. Keep it on your left side and do the right algorithm. And again you should turn it down, and I have a plus sign. So for you, if it was a dot, you should repeat it again and again till you have a plus. If you have a L like this, like I have it over here like this, if you started from this position, you should do it twice more or thrice more so that you have this L. Now after you have a L, you should make sure these pieces, the middle pieces which are between these two, like this blue, this orange, green and red, you should make sure they're at their home. So now green and blue, they're not matching, blue and green, they're not matching. So have this orange and red. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it however I want. If when you do this and you match any two, of course all the time you should match any two of them. If you have like orange and your blue is matching, or green and red is matching, or blue and red is matching, if any two are matching and they're next to each other, like red and blue, blue and orange, orange and green, green and red, what you're going to do is they should be on your right side back. One should be over here, one should be on your right side, and you should do this algorithm. If you have the opposite, like I have, like orange and red, you can start from anywhere you wish. So now I'm going to teach you how to make sure that all these home pieces are in their respective colors. So as I said before, you may have opposite sides, or you have two over here. If you have two, you should keep them on your right side, one behind and one towards your right hand. So now I have opposite, that is orange and red. So I'm going to start from anywhere I wish. Okay, so the formula is the right side should come up. You have three white dots over here. Over here you may have two colors, or you may have three also, but keep your eye on these, the first two colors, as they're going to move around. So now after you have these three, you're going to just turn it towards your left, that is, turn it towards your left, and put this white side down, and again you're going to turn it like this. So these two have come over here, my left side. Now I'm going to make this come up again. So I have these two white dots. I'm going to turn it two times towards my right, so that I have a white line again, and put it back. So now I'm going to turn it, and so you can see that I have not got the respective colors at their home. So I'm going to do this once more, that is up this side, down, one more time, up, and twice, and down. So now you can see that I have these colors in their correct positions, that is, they should match with their home color. The home color is the middle square or piece on every side. So now you should match or solve these corner pieces. So now I'm going to teach you how to solve the corner pieces. So in this stage, you have three chances, that is, you'll have one solved or in the correct place, or you may have zero, or you may have all the four in their correct places, but vice versa, or you should re-originate it. So now in my case, I don't have one also. You can see I don't have a single piece. So if you have 1, 0 or 4, if you have 4, you can skip this step. If you have 1 or 0, you should follow this. So the formula for this is, you can start from anywhere you wish. If you have only one, you should make sure that the one piece is in your right side front, in this place. If you have 0, you can start from anywhere you wish. If you have 4, just skip this step. So the formula is, you should turn this one time, like you should turn it towards your left side and do the right algorithm. Okay, so the algorithm is, you should turn this once, right side up, your left index finger should push this so that it's over here. You have two dots over here. Again, you should do for the left side, turn it this side, down, this side you should turn and down. So you should check if you have any of the pieces in their correct spots. So I don't have any, so I'm going to repeat this again. Turn it. If you're not getting this, you can slow down the video. So I'm going to check if I have any to have this in the correct spot, but vice versa or the other way around. So I'm going to do this once more. So when I'm doing this once more, so I need to keep this piece over in the front and do it. So I'm going to turn it around. That's it. Now I'm going to check if I have any soft or in the correct places. I have none. So I'm going to do this step again. Turn it up towards the left. Down. So I have all the pieces in the correct spots. If you don't, just repeat it. Now I'm going to turn to, I need to solve these so that these are all in the correct places but vice versa. So to solve these, or to solve the yellow side, I'm going to turn around. I have yellow at the bottom and white at the up. However you mix the cube, yellow and white are going to be opposite, green and blue are going to be opposite, and red and orange are going to be opposite all the time. So I have turned towards the white side. You can start from any side because I have 4 of them. I'm going to start from any side. If you have two, like in many situations what happens is these two can be solved and these two are in the correct spot but vice versa, or you may have all the 4 sides correct, or sometimes you'll solve all the 4 while doing this. So now all of mine are in the correct places but vice versa. I'm going to turn to the white side and I'm going to do the right algorithm. So now I have the white piece or yellow piece over here, turn it down and it's solved. Now I'm just going to turn it this side. So it's over here, I have this solved. Turn it towards your right side and do it again. I'm just doing the right algorithm over here. Now I have it over here. You want this yellow piece down at the base. So that you're going to do the right algorithm. And that's done. I'm going to turn it again and do the right algorithm. So now I have solved this. I have only one cube, so I'm going to do the right algorithm. And the cube is solved. I just need to turn this and our cube is solved. So friends, this is how you solve a Rubik's cube. So you can see it is totally solved and fully solved. If this does not happen, you can just start from the first step, which is the daisy step. If you have a Rubik's cube, please try this. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.